Assalamu alaikum. In UAE, slaughterhouses are closed. We can't buy sheep or goats. So, how to do sacrifice? Alhamdulillah, brother, you have a beautiful option. You could do Udhiyah through your government. A lot of charity programs sponsored by the government. You could do it with them. I love to do it through the Haramain Udhiyah. You know, they have a very beautiful system of sacrifice. I have people who have gone and witnessed how they do it. It's very hygienic, very Islamic. Don't listen to people that, oh, they're running a tape and blah, blah, blah. Don't listen to any of that propaganda. They do it, mashallah, as I have had lawyers and friends who witnessed it, and then they package it very nicely, and then they ship it to poorest of the poorest Muslim neighborhoods in different countries, not alone in Saudi Arabia. Wallah. I've seen it. I've seen planes landing in different countries with meat packaged, purely sealed, germ-proof, alhamdulillah. So you can do it through them. You can do it through charities. Several charities are doing that. Local people, farmers, so many places you could do it. Have them, pay them and let them do it, and inshallah make the niyyah that Allah let it go to the needy, inshallah ta'ala. May Allah protect us all. इस सवाल को मैं उर्दू में भी कर देता हूँ.